Hey guys, what I'm going to show you today is how to just do a couple of things in Google Slides. What I've done here is I've got it set up like it's a link that you have clicked to open up a Google slide that I've already set up and want you to make some changes to. Right now, you cannot make any changes. You've clicked the link, and right here, it's not letting me make any changes to it. The reason why is because it is in view only mode. To change that, I want you to make a copy of it. So File, make a copy of the entire presentation. Now it's going to ask you to rename the document. Copy of About Me. I want you to put your name. About. Your name is not Philip Rickahoff. Type your name in. Click OK. Now it's going to create a brand new document for you, and you're going to tell me about yourself. In the middle, where it says type your name here, type your name in. And in the larger circle that's going to come up in a second, I want you to tell me a few things about yourself. Tell me some of the things you like to do. You can tell me your favorite foods, and I'll actually have a screencastify telling you about me. And you can tell me some of your favorite things like I did in my About Mr. Rickahoff. So if you go in here and start to click, it will actually let you change. So I've typed in Philip Rickahoff. I'm not going to worry about the typo because this video has a time limit. I want to put in some text. So to put in text, I will click the text box square right here, the T with the square around it. And one thing that I would like for you to know about me is I have a son named Carter. You do not need to use complete sentences for this. And you can put as many things in here as you would like. I want you to tell me at least 3-4 things about yourself here. But you don't have to use words. If you don't feel like typing, you can use pictures. And to insert a picture, so right here is text box, and next to it, it says insert image. So you click the drop-down menu. You can either upload, if you have something on your computer saved or saved to your flash drive, you can go there, or you can click search the web. I think that's easier on here. It's going to bring up Google Images. And I want you to know that Michael Jordan is my favorite basketball player. So I will image search Michael Jordan, and I can drag the picture over. Now, when I drag it over, sometimes the image isn't the size that you want it to be. So if you grab it by the corner there, it actually shrinks a picture. It makes it shorter and skinnier at the same time and doesn't like make the picture look kind of wonky or anything. And you can put as many pictures in here as you would like to tell me a little bit about yourself. The last step, once you have put all the things in your circle map that you want to share with me, go up here to this share button. This is kind of how you'll turn it in to me or turn it into your teacher. So if you're in my classroom, you're going to share it with Philip Rickahoff. If you're in Mr. Caro's classroom, you're going to share it with Mr. Caro. So you click the share button, and it's going to load up some options here, bring up a menu. And right here, where it says add people, for me, it's going to type, like if I wanted to share it with Philip Rickahoff, you can start to spell Philip, and my name will probably pop up, or you can start to spell my last name, and it will pop up. Once it pops up, click my name, and make sure it says notify. This way it'll send me an email, and I'll know, oh, okay, you've done this. Then click send, and boom, it's been sent to me, and you have turned in your assignment. And those are just a couple of ways to work with Google Slides. See ya.